Boa Nita, the boa constrictor. Now, Joseph, she is not full grown. She needs to be bigger than this. But when she is full grown, she will be able to eat something so large she can go a whole entire year without having to eat again. Can you imagine not eating for a whole year because your belly is so full? That's crazy. Now today, you've met all sorts of amazing animal friends, but remember, if you've seen an animal in the wild, you don't know whether it's big or small. Should you go up to it and try and touch it?
No.
No, why not? Why should you not touch like a
Because
snake?
they'll strangle you.
Well, not that, but they might try and bite you. But do animals bite because they're mean or bad?
Sometimes
They just bite because they feel what? Scared.
they're poisonous.
Well, she's not poisonous. She's perfectly harmless. She could bite, but she doesn't have any poison at all. But it is best to leave other animals alone because you don't know if they might be poisonous or venomous, and really you just don't want to scare them because that's not very nice. Now I'm going to bring her around so everyone has a chance to pet her. But to pet her, you have to use your #1 fingers. You all ready? You have to be on your bottom, crisscross applesauce.
Excuse me?
What
if a lion got lost and he ended up in the rainforest?
He's picking his finger.
How much does that snake weigh?
She weighs right now
So,
about